welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about an Instagram makeup look that most of the time I post into my Instagram stories. I think that we have a different version of our Instagram photos, so I am inspired by so many makeup artists like Patrick Starr, Bobby Brown, and Kevin Aucoin, those makeup artists who made celebrities and influencer so beautiful into their Instagram photos. And if you like this, just continue watching. I'm gonna use the eye brightener, and this is from Sante. It's an FX eye brightener. And also, before my primer, I'm going to use a whitening essence eye cream. So after my eye cream, I'm gonna go ahead with my primer. It's a Laura Mercier primer. So here it is. So after my primer, I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation, and I'm going to use a MAC Face and Body Foundation. Then spread it all over your face by using your fingers. Okay, so first I'm going to have my Laura Mercier eyeshadow base, and just use your finger to blend everything up. So after blending up your eye base, just have to set up a bit. So just go up and mimic the hair. Just follow the stroke of your eyebrow in an upward position, going to the tail. So after my eyebrow, and make it really natural. And for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna have a MAC Burgundy eyeshadow. Just continue blending your eyeshadow until you get that smoky look into your eyes. Just continue blend, blend, blend. And once you get that smoky look, you just have to have a gold shimmer here at the center point of your eyes. And just continue blending it up again. So just apply the eyeliner. Just going here at the side first. So after your eyeliner, you just have to get this brush. So after doing my eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead with cleaning up the fallouts under my eyes. Just get rid of all the fallouts that you have and clean up everything. You don't need to put so much foundation because you just had a foundation before. You just have to build up the place where you want it to. So I just do my concealer under my eyes in a triangular shape. You just have to blend it with your finger. So blend your concealer and your foundation together so it could have a really good finish without any harsh lines. So blend, blend, and blend. Now you just have to use this powder puff and just make sure that the powder is spread out into the puff and just squeeze it a little bit like this, and then just dab it softly into your skin all over your face to the place where you want to set up all the foundation and your concealer. So just continue setting up your foundation, especially here in the T-zone area, and just do it softly so that you wouldn't have that cakey foundation. As you can see, even though you build up your foundation, you don't have that cakey application, especially if you use this foundation sponge. So get this into the nearest Sephora or nearest drugstore if you have, but this one I've got is really soft. I can link it down below, the details about this sponge, so you can have it as well. I'm gonna go ahead with my false eyelashes, and this eyelashes is from Marilyn. So this is my eyelashes. So there you are. After putting your eyelashes, you can just have your liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to use a hyper sharp eyeliner from Maybelline. And I'm going to use a MAC Skinfinish bronzer. So after my bronzer, I'm going to have my NARS blush on in Orgasm. Here on the top of your cheekbone. After my NARS blush on, I'm gonna go ahead with my MAC highlighter. And also here on my tear duct, the side of my eyes. Especially here on the tip of my nose. And also here in my cupid spot. I'm going to draw a sexy lips for this. I'm gonna go ahead with my MAC Love Me Inseparable lipstick. This is my lip gloss, my other half. I'm gonna use a little loose powder on top of the brush and just clean up any harsh line into your face. Especially here in your T-zone. And for my final touch, I'm gonna have my MAC Fix Magic Radiance Setting Spray. So guys, this is the final results of my Instagram makeup look, and hopefully you like it. Just try to maintain the real color of your eyeshadow into your Instagram photos. That can make a really good impact into your Instagram story. I'll see you guys again. Please do like and subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to push that notification bell so that you can follow me in all of my videos. So see you guys. Have a great day.